In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your financial data from Xero. If you've been looking to get your information out of Xero for reporting, analysis, or backup purposes, you're in the right place. I'll take you through the process step by step, ensuring you feel confident by the end of this tutorial. First things first, let's begin by opening up your favorite web browser. Navigate over to the Xero login page. Once there, you'll come across the login button. Give that a click. Now, you'll need to fill in your personal details, specifically your email and password. Make sure you have these handy as you'll need them to access your account. Double check to ensure there are no typos, as this can save you time and potential frustration. When that's done, select the login button again. And just like that, you're into your Xero dashboard, the nerve center for all your accounting activities. From here, take a look around and spot the Connect Apps icon. Clicking on this will bring you to a vital step in the process. Next, we search for SaaS Ant Transactions, which is a third-party service that will help facilitate the export. Once you find it, go ahead and connect to it. Having this connection allows you to seamlessly transfer your data from Xero for export. Now, within the SaaS Ant interface, you'll see an export option. Click on that and you'll be prompted to make a few selections. This is where you decide exactly what kind of data you need to export. Look for the option that says select what entity you want to search and make your choice. It could be invoices, bills, transactions, or any specific entity you're dealing with. Following that, choose your preferred date type. This could involve payment dates, invoice dates, or whatever suits your needs. Once the entity and date type are selected, it's time to refine your search with a date range. Input the start and end dates that bracket the financial data you wish to export. Be precise here to ensure you're capturing all necessary information without extraneous data. With your settings fine-tuned, go ahead and hit the search button. This action pulls up your results based on the criteria you specified. Here, you might want to spend a little time filtering through these results to ensure you're exporting exactly what you need. The filtering tools are there to help you streamline the data you're working with. And finally, once you're satisfied with the data selection, you can click on the download button. This will export your selected data from Xero, ready for you to save, analyze, or distribute as needed. You've now successfully exported your financial data from Xero and can rest easy knowing your information is securely backed up or ready for further analysis. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide has been helpful.